Now we are going to learn how to label the meridians. In Eastern Hemisphere, it is labeled as 30 degree east, 129 degree east. In Western Hemisphere, it is labeled as 29 degree west, 133 degree west. So now here you can see 30 degree is longitude. So the places like Cairo, Harare, Durban, which are in Africa, are located on this longitude, and this longitude is at angular distance of 30 degree from the prime meridian. Now we all know that our earth is very huge in size. So to locate the place exactly on the earth, we can make use of latitudes and longitudes. We all know that distance between two adjacent parallel is equal everywhere, but the distance between two adjacent longitude is maximum near the equator, and it goes on reducing towards the poles, and at the poles it becomes 0. Okay, so if we'll see in the diagram, near the equator the distance is 111 kilometer. Near Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, it is 102 kilometer. Near Arctic and Antarctic Circle, it is 44 kilometer, and near the poles, it is 0 kilometer. So according to calculation, 111 kilometer is also a big distance. So to exactly locate the place within this distance, we have to divide degrees into smaller units. Okay, so degrees are divided into minutes and minutes are divided into seconds. So now latitudes and longitudes are also expressed in degrees, minutes and in seconds. So each degree is divided into 60 minutes and each minute is divided into 60 seconds, and the values of degrees, minutes and seconds is expressed in these particular symbols. In all, we are able to draw 360 meridians. So one is 0 degree prime meridian, second is 180 degree meridian. Okay, and at the eastern part we are having 179 meridians, that is from 1 degree east to 179 degree east, and at the western part again we are having 179 meridians, that is 1 degree west to 179 degree west. We have 179 east meridian, 179 west meridian, 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree meridian. So total there are 360 meridians of longitude. Now we will start the last part of the lesson, that is the graticule. So the network of parallels and meridian is called as graticule. This helps us in determining the location of a place. Even in today's world or in today's age, this method is used quite effectively. GPS, GIS, Google Maps, Wikimapia, Bhuvan of ISRO on the internet also make use of latitudes and longitude. This technology is also available on mobile phones and on motor cars. Do you know, students, India has achieved self-reliance in global positioning technology. Now locating any place in Indian subcontinent is going to become very easy with the help of Indian National Navigation Satellite System. So for this, India is launching its own series of 7 satellites, and because of it, it will be possible to locate any place in region of South Asia and Indian Ocean precisely. So now you have to use your brain power and answer one question in the textbook on page number 7. How many parallels and meridians can be drawn on a globe at interval of 10 degree. So we know that we have 90 parallels in north and 90 in south, total 180. At 10 we want to find out at 10 degree interval. So if we take 180 divided by 10, then 0 will get cancelled with 0, that is we can draw 18 parallels. In the same way, we are having 180 east meridian and 180 west meridian. So total 360 meridians. If we divide by 10, then 0 will get cancelled with 0. Then we can draw 36 meridians at interval of 10 degree on the earth. So now we'll discuss the exercise. Place a tick mark against the correct option. Which term is used for the imaginary east-west horizontal lines on the earth? Correct. That is parallel. What is the shape of the meridians? Very good. Circular. What do the parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude together form on the globe? Very good. Graticule. How many parallels are there in the northern hemisphere? Correct. 90. Which circle forms the eastern and western hemisphere? Correct. 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree meridian. Which circle appears as a point on the globe? Correct. North and South Pole. How many places on the earth may be located on 45 degree north parallel? Very good. Many. Now we'll begin with the second question. Observe a globe and examine the following statements. Correct the wrong ones. First, parallels of latitude lie parallel to the prime meridian. Answer is wrong. The correct answer is parallels of latitude lie parallel to the equator. Second one, all parallels of latitude converge at the equator. Answer is wrong. Correct answer is all parallels of latitude never converge at any parallel. Third one, parallels and meridians are imaginary lines. The answer is correct. The answer is right. Next question, fourth one. 8 degree 4 minutes 65 seconds is a north meridian. The answer is wrong. Correct answer is 8 degree 4 minutes 65 seconds is a north parallel. And the last question, meridians are parallel to each other. The answer is wrong. Meridians are not parallel to each other.